What's going on, people? My name's Jack. Welcome back to the channel. We are doing a new episode of Project Breakdown. Shout out to my editor. Throw a little Project Breakdown graphic right there. Project Breakdown is a series that I haven't done an episode for in 2-3 years, something like that. I used to come on to the video, break down the project that I've done, how much money I got paid for it, exactly where I found the client, and exactly how you could sort of reverse engineer that and get the same job for yourself and make the same amount of money. So today, we're bringing it back. I want to do at least one of these episodes every single week, break it down to projects from my extensive freelance career, show you guys exactly where I got the job, exactly how much I got paid for the job, how I put it all together, how simple it is, etc., etc., etc. So today we're going to go ahead and start off with, you can make $1,000 to edit this video. Shout out to my editor. Throw a nice title somewhere that says you can make $1,000 to edit this video. And I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to show you how I made it, and I'm going to show you where you can get the job yourself and how I personally got the job. And, this video between you and me was actually very easy to put together, in fact. I'm just going to go ahead and jump on and actually show you the piece of content itself over here on my Dropbox, right? Now, this right here, a little bit of context, was a animated promo video, right? Animated promo video for a Vietnamese cryptocurrency trading website, right? Now, the client didn't really speak very good English, and it was a little bit of a back and forth. A lot of stuff got lost in translation, so it was a little bit annoying to edit, but overall, a little bit annoying to communicate with them. But the video itself was extremely, extremely easy to edit. Let's watch it. It's 26 seconds. Then I'll break down how I put it together and how you guys can get the job yourself. Very basic. All done with templates, which is what made it so easy. Boom. So you get the gist, right? Very simple, animated situation. Now, that would have been a pain in the ass if I'd have animated it myself. Obviously, I did not animate it myself. It's put together with templates, premium templates. So if you're putting something together like this with templates, it is a very, very simple process, because essentially, I'll mute it, right? Because the music's a little annoying. All you're doing is taking an already animated sequence, changing out what's on the screen of the actual iPhone in this case, throwing some text there, which is already placeholder text from the templates. This stuff I got a little bit of creative with, right? I put some transitions on the stuff myself, blah, blah, blah. That made the star glow, all type of simple stuff like that. But nothing revolutionary, nothing out of the box. And I put this together more or less entirely using EnvadoElements.com. Envato Elements, by the way. I'll go ahead and leave my sponsor link down below. Envato Elements does sponsor the channel. They're a great platform. I've used them for years. Countless, assets, sound effects, templates, everything. It's great. So you can actually make money with this stuff because there's obviously a commercial license. Now, what I did was I literally just typed in app promo video. Not really revolutionary, nothing out of the box. Went to video templates and found some app promo video templates. Simple as that, right? I mean, we could click on literally the first one. And you're going to see, right? Boom, all of a sudden you've got these app promo video templates, right? So it's literally as simple as that. I got a promo video template and I customized it. Actually, I combined a couple different templates, but they're all here. They're all for free. If you have a subscription to Envato, use my code and my link down below. Then it's very, very simple. You literally just swap out the stuff on the screen, throw some placeholder to change the placeholder text to the text of the client, and voila, you guys have an app promo video. I'll go ahead and just play a couple of these to show you. It's very, very, very simple. I got $1,000 for this job. Worked with a Vietnamese cryptocurrency trading platform. Who knows if they're still in business? They might be a big thing, actually, to be honest. Should we Google them? I can't even be bothered to Google them. Bless up to them, though. I hope they're doing good. Simple. Very, very, very simple. So, we've covered what type of video did we make? App promo video. Where did we get the content? How did we build it? In Envato Elements. Obviously, there's a little bit of, your own sort of intuition where you got to, make the template your own, to be honest. It wasn't literally exactly like this, but I combined a couple templates and, and just like that, we have a very nice video put together. Now, where did I get the job? If you've been following the channel for a while, you know. Upwork.com. Upwork.com, the biggest freelancer marketplace on the internet. In at least the beginning of my freelance career is a little bit, on its way out at this point. I've done it for years and years and years. And nowadays, I'm onto a little bit of a, different sort of business-based stuff. But this was my first hustle, my first business, my first self-employed venture, if you will. I was a freelancer nonstop every single day for 3 years. I have hundreds and hundreds of clients on my belt, under my belt, rather. And I literally went to Upwork. I was scrolling through. I found the job. If you were to try and target something like this, you could type in app promo video and attempt to actually target something like this. I'm sure there's something here. Simple iOS app needs reskin. That's not what we're looking for. But look, animated video for mobile app. All right, posted 23 hours ago. Right? Well, whoa. I tried to zoom in on the 23 hours to make a point. It zoomed in on the wrong thing. And that's sweet right there. So boom, click this shit right here. Lovely. It's some sort of fitness bet, blah, 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 blah. Fitness bet. It's the first combined platform of health, fitness, and social media gaming platform. All right, cool. So they're doing it. They need an animated video, 60 to 90 seconds. They're willing to pay $20 to $50 an hour. Easy. They've already had 50 plus proposals. They're interviewing one person. Most likely, and not even most likely, I'd be willing to bet a lot of money on it. Whoever's going to make this is not animating this app promo video by hand, right? They're most likely taking pre-made templates, custom templates from either Envato Elements or other sites similar, and they're making it their own, and then they're adding, the company's branding and everything like that. And it's extremely, extremely simple. So that right there is the first episode of Project Breakdown back in full effect, back on the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you made it to the end, comment 5% gang. Shout out to my editor. Throw 5% gang up there. That is the number of people that make it to the end of my video. Very small, elite percentage. In fact, I think we might have to rebrand it 10% gang, because I was looking at a couple videos and it was just over 10%. So you know what? Let's meet in the middle. 7.5% gang. All right. Shout out to Durgesh, my editor. Boom. 7.5% gang. We'll meet in the middle. It's between 5 and 10. 7.5% gang. We've changed it. Revolutionary. It's very simple. All you guys got to do is go on Upwork. Number 1, target app promo videos. Number 2, go to Envato Elements. Find app promo videos. Number 3, edit and customize the app promo video. Number 4, make $1,000 for this particular job. And, I personally been paid $1,000 for this job. You could be as well. Peace.